Ever found yourself wondering where exactly your hard-earned cash disappears to each month? You're not alone. Tracking expenses can feel like trying to catch smoke, and that's where budgeting apps like Pocketguard swoop in, promising to bring clarity to your finances. But before you jump in and hand over your financial data, a crucial question pops up. How much does Pocketguard actually cost you annually? That's exactly what we're diving into today. Because let's be real, while the idea of effortless budgeting is appealing, understanding the price tag is just as important as understanding your spending habits. We want to make sure Pocketguard fits not just your financial needs, but also your budget for financial tools. Pocketguard offers different tiers of service, and the annual fee depends on the specific plan you choose. As of today, May 10, 2025, Pocketguard has a free version that offers a solid set of basic budgeting features. This is a great starting point for anyone new to budgeting apps or those who have relatively simple financial situations. With the free plan, you can typically link your bank accounts and credit cards, track your spending across different categories, set basic budget goals, and get an overview of your net worth. It's a fantastic way to get a feel for the app and see if it aligns with your needs without any upfront cost. However, to unlock the full potential of Pocketguard and access more advanced features, they offer premium subscription plans. These paid tiers typically come with enhanced capabilities designed to give you a more comprehensive and personalized budgeting experience. One of the key benefits of the premium versions often includes more detailed and customizable budgeting categories. Instead of being limited to broader categories, you can often create subcategories that reflect your specific spending habits more accurately. For example, instead of just food, you might be able to break it down into groceries, restaurants, and coffee shops. This level of detail can provide much richer insights into where your money is actually going. Furthermore, premium plans often offer more advanced reporting and analysis tools. You might gain access to historical spending trends, allowing you to see how your spending has changed over time and identify patterns you might not have noticed otherwise. Features like customizable charts and graphs can make visualizing your financial data much easier and more impactful. Another valuable feature often found in the paid tiers is more robust debt tracking and management tools. If you're working on paying down debt, these features can help you set goals, track your progress, and even explore different repayment strategies. This can be incredibly helpful in staying motivated and on track with your debt reduction journey. In addition to these, premium versions of Pocketguard may also include features like bill negotiation assistance, where the app helps you find and potentially lower your recurring bills, and more advanced forecasting tools that can project your future financial situation based on your current spending and income patterns. Now, let's talk specifics about the annual cost. While the exact pricing can sometimes vary and it's always best to check the official Pocketguard website or app for the most up-to-date information, typically, the annual fee for Pocketguard's premium plans offers a significant discount compared to paying on a monthly basis. As of today, you might expect to see annual subscription options that range somewhere in the ballpark of $50 to $100, depending on the specific tier and any promotional offers that might be available. Keep an eye out for introductory discounts or family plan options that could further reduce the annual cost per person. It's also worth considering the value you'll receive for the annual fee. If Pocketguard's premium features help you save more money, avoid late fees, or make better financial decisions, the cost of the subscription could easily pay for itself. Think of it as an investment in your financial well-being. So, to circle back to our initial question, the annual fee for Pocketguard depends on whether you opt for the free version, which costs nothing annually, or one of their premium subscription plans. For the paid tiers, you can generally expect to pay somewhere between $50 and $100 per year as of today, but it's always wise to verify the current pricing directly through Pocketguard's official channels. Weigh the features offered in each tier against your individual financial needs and budget to determine which option is the best fit for you. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.